In this iUgo tutorial, you will learn to access the iUgo schedule tool, build a timetable with the weekly planner, use the daily planner. The iUgo schedule tool is your planning calendar. You can find schedule in the main menu and have the option of a weekly planner or the daily planner. These planners enable you to create lesson, classroom, and school schedules. In the weekly planner, you can build and manage your timetable. You can view historic, current, or future weeks by selecting and adjusting the term or week filters. To create a new event, click anywhere that is empty on the timetable. This will open the Create Event tool. Here you can create and select a school event type or create a personal event type. You can even assign a special colour for your event. Next, you should select the frequency of your event. Select the days when you want your event to occur. You can then select the date and time ranges you want your event to occur. Make your changes to the start and end time. Then you can set your event to repeat by adjusting the from and until dates. For the event, you can also add collaborators, type notes, or add resources. You can also create a unit plan link. This will add a hyperlink to the unit in the weekly planner event. Now you can save your event. You can make changes at any time by clicking on the event. Make changes for one day or click Edit Series to make changes to all of the events for this series. Click Update to save your changes. You can access the daily planner in the main menu under Schedule. Any events you have in the weekly planner will display automatically in the daily planner, but appears as a run sheet of your day. You can add reminders to your events directly. If you have a linked unit plan, then your lessons from the unit plan will also show. You can type into these events, which automatically save the content back to the unit plan lessons. You can filter the level of detail that you want to see, display the whole day, or select the relevant event type or class group. If you click on the blue cog, you can also hide your planning, next steps, or filebox resource thumbnails. The daily planner is also useful to display on external devices such as smartboards. Thank you for watching. For more tutorial videos on how to use iUgo, please visit our support section.